You know how I know you haven't worked here that long? They're just still eating waffles. I don't. This is like my first time. Every time I eat a waffle, people look at me like I'm crazy. I'm like, where's the Waffle House? I feel like I have to. It's like going to IHOP and getting a burger. Oh. Whoa! Oh yeah, I do. I like my baby crispy. Look at her. Now that's scattered. Welcome back to the chat. Do you like yours that crispy? Yeah. Okay, foodie. Okay, foodie. Gotta go. I gotta cook the order right now. Ah, let me stay out of your way. Actually, I'll just cook my egg. They only showed up when I did. Ouch. You guys do the waffles here? Okay. It makes life easy for me. I like to drop my little waffles. How do you guys like your eggs cooked? Let me know. Eggs look good, thanks. So I don't do anything but get drinks and bag it. All right, I'll take it. Eggs look good. Thank you, cool G404. Hey, should I put chili on top of the hash browns? Should I put chili on top of the hash browns? Guys, should we put chili on top of our hash browns? That looks good. Thank you. What's good in the good? Whoa, 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 whoa. We're gonna top this off with chili. Hey, Jaden, what's up? We're gonna put chili on this baby. See, would you guys do chili or gravy personally? Yeah, these aren't franchised. So. Is it morning for me?